Hello, welcome to a new review on newsontour.de. My name is Christian. Today I'm showing you an unboxing video of the new Hubsan X4 2.4 GHz RC Series 4 channel multi-copter. You can fly it in two modes, the beginner mode and the expert mode. In the expert mode you have the ability to fly 360 turn flips. First of all, I recommend you to read the instruction manual before the first flight. It contains about 21 pages. Important is to read the notice included in the package. It contains two chapters: how to reset the electronic accelerometer and how to reset the transmitter. This is necessary to have a perfect, stable flight. So if you remove the plastic, you see the multi-copter. It's very tiny. You see it fits in my hand. I can turn it around, see it from the bottom. The small battery is removable. You can load it with the cable included in the package and plug it in. And you see LED. And then you can plug it in the PC, in the USB, to load it. It takes about 30 minutes to load it. Flight time is about 9-10 minutes. So what else inside? A transmitter, 2.4 GHz with a display. You have to buy 4 batteries, which are not included in the package. 4 AAA small batteries. So if you crash the rotors, there's some extra rotors in the package, but be careful. You see, if you look on the rotors, there's a big A and a big B on the rotor. So if you remove one, be sure to replace the right one. Replace A with A and B with B. So that's all for the unboxing video. See you in another video for the Hubsan X4, where I show you how to fly the Hubsan and how to calibrate the electronic accelerometer, how to reset it, and how to reset the transmitter. That's all. Christian for newsontour.de. Thank you very much. If you like this video, click on it, like it, and I will be happy if you write some comments under the video. But be patient with me, because I'm not an English people. I'm coming from Germany, and I'm trying to review this video in English so that everybody on the world can understand it. That's all. Bye bye.